Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Inshallah, let's continue with the second half of the practice. So we have here ta, ta, tu, tu, tui, tui, to, to, ato, uto, ito, ato, uto, ito. Okay. Vo, vo, vu, vu, zi, zi, z, z, az, uz, iz. Okay, I can see here we don't have a kasri, but it's supposed to be a kasri here. There's a little bit of a typo, so it's supposed to be iz. Okay, az, uz, iz. A, a, u, u, I, a, 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 wa, ya, a, wa, ya. Please, inshallah, make sure when you're reading ain with a sukun, you don't carry it. Do not carry. Don't say wa, ya. No, it continues a little bit. Wa, ya. Inshallah, the reason you'll come to know, inshallah, in our green book, inshallah, and in tajweed classes. Then we have ro, ro, ru, ru, ri, ri, ro, ro, ar, ur, ir, ar, ur, ir. Fa, fa, fu, fu, fi, fi, f, f, af, uf, if, qa, qa, qu, qu, qi, qi, qa, qa, aqo, uqo, iqo, aqo, uqo, iqo. Okay, please, we have qaf, ta, we have ba, jim, and dal. Those ones we call them qalqala. Okay, qutbu jaddin qalqala. They have to make this sound. Aqo, uqo, iqo, ato, uto, ito, aj, uj, ij, ab, ub, ib, ad, ud, id. Then we have ka, 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 ku, ku, ki, ki, k, 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 ak, uk, ik, ak, uk, ik. Please be aware of this one. Do not say it like ak, uk, ik. No. Ak, ik, uk. It has when you open a soda can, the sound it produces, or when you open a thermos, the pressure which comes out, the psh. So this one and ta, they both have that sound. Okay, we call it hums. So we say ak, uk, ik. Okay, kaf and ta, they are both shadid and mahmus. Shadid meaning your vocal cords close when you utter them, and when you complete them, there's a sound, there's a pressure which comes out. Ak, uk, ik. And for ta, at, ut, it. Do not say ats. We don't have ats in Arabic or in the Quran. Then you have la, la, lu, lu, li, li, ال 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 ما مو مي م أم إم إم نا نو ني ن أن إن إن و وو وي أو إي ها هو هي أوه إيه أوه إيه اهدنا أوه إيه. Let's continue with the second part, inshallah. Please, if you've not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. Do not forget also to share with other people, okay? And if you have any comment, please let us know. If you want us to cover something or you've not understood something, please let us know. Inshallah, we'll be more than happy to help, inshallah. So here we have u e u I u I ya you ye ai ui e. Okay, there's some sounds which we don't have in Arabic, like we don't have in Arabic, okay? But we're just practicing, okay? The goal here is to practice and see how long vowels change, okay? So ya you ye e ai ui e. Then on these three last lines we have almost all the huruf with sukun and how they sound, okay? So remember, ba with a sukun, it sounds b, b, b. J, j, j. D, d, d. Th, th. R, r. Z, z. S, s. Sh, sh. S, s. B, b, b. To, to. Z, z. Qo, qo, qo. K, k, k. L, l. M, m. N, n. U, they sound funny, but we have to know. We have to know. We don't have any other ways. Okay? S, s, sh, sh, r, r, z, z, b, 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 t, 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 f, j, 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 أحمد أحمد أخ 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 أص أص أو 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 قو 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 ك أك ك أك ال أم أن أو اهدنا أي أط طو 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 طو. Inshallah, I hope the lesson has been easy. Inshallah, please, if you've not understood, please watch the video again and again until you feel that you are comfortable. Please do not give up. I know sometimes it takes a lot of time. It's hard, but you never give up. We don't give up on good things. And inshallah, by you working hard, inshallah, Allah is going to open for you all the ways, inshallah, and everything is going to be easy. Inshallah, if you've not subscribed, please subscribe. Please share with other people. Let them know about our classes. Inshallah, if you have any comment, let us know. Ma'a salama. See you in the next lesson on Shadda. Okay? See you on Shadda. The next lesson is about Shadda. And you cannot understand Shadda without you understanding Sukun. That's why we started with Sukun, then Shadda. In my hope that Shadda is going to be easy. Inshallah, ma'a salama. See you in the next lesson. Thank you. Shukran.